Hello everyone, welcome back to our podcast. I am Akmal Kifani. Today will discuss an important issue, the high relevant to economy student. Our topic today is economic growth versus economic equality. Why does the gap still exist in Indonesia? Indonesia has experienced economic growth over the years. However, despite this progress, many people still face profit, unemployment, and equal access to education and healthcare. To, to help us understanding this issue more deep, I am joined by Dava. Wow, will help understanding the relationship with economic growth, human development, poverty, and equality. Hmm, Welcome to the podcast.
Okay. Uh, Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to be here to discuss an important topic.
Before we discuss equality, could you explain what development economy is and why important?
Uh, Wait, I'm still. Uh, Certainly, development economics is a branch of economics that focus on improving people welfare and quality of life, particularly in developing countries. Unlike traditional economies, which often emphasize economic growth and production, developed economies looks at broader issues such as poverty reduction, education, healthcare, employment, and income distribution. In simple terms, development is not only about making a country rich, it is about making people lives better.
So, economic growth alone is the not to measure development.
Uh, mm, Actually, a country might experience high economic growth, but if the benefits are enjoyed only by a small group of people, the true development has not been achieved.
Indonesia is often praised for its economic growth. What does economic growth actually mean?
I think is economic growth refers to an interest in the production of goods and service within a country over a certain period. It is commonly measured by gross domestic product or GDP, When GDP interest, it usually means businesses are producing more, investment are growing, and economic activities are expanding. Economic growth can generate employment opportunity and international income.
That sound positive, but why do many people still feel left behind despite economic growth?
Okay, Akmal, your question is so good, and I think is uh, because growth does not automatically growth might equal distribution of benefit. Sometimes economy gain are connected in certain regions, industry, or income groups. Uh, as a result, some people become significantly wealthier, while others experience little improvement in their living in standard.
Let's talk about inequality. What actually is the economic equality?
Uh, I think is economic quality is refers to unequal distribution of income, wealth, and opportunity among individuals or groups. For example, some people have access to quality education, healthcare, and well-paying jobs, while others do not. In Indonesia, inequality can be observed between urban and rural areas, between different provinces, and among various social groups.
Hmm, can equality affect economy development?
Uh, Inequality affect economic development. I think it is uh, absolutely maybe because high level of inequality can limit economy opportunities for disadvantaged groups. It can also reduce social mobility, meaning becomes more difficult for people to improve their economic status. In the long run, excessive intellectuality may even slow economic growth because a large portion of the popularity cannot fully participate in economic activity. I think so that Akmal.
Okay. Hmm, one concept often discussed in development economy is human development. Could you explain what that means?
Uh, might explain what that means. I think it is human development focus on expanding people capability and opportunity It is commonly measured using the Human Development Index or HDI, which include three dimensions: education, healthy, uh, standard of living. I think it is two example. Their indicator help you understand whether people have the recourse and opportunity need to live productive and fulfilling in lives.
Okay. How does human development help reduction inequality?
uh, Developed help reduce inequality, I think, is education and healthcare are key factor. It is because when people receive quality education, they gain skill that improve their employment opportunity. Uh, Likewise, good health enable individuals work more productivity. Uh, if access to education and healthcare is distributed fairly, more people can participate in economic growth and benefit from development.
Okay, so investing in people is just as important as investing in infrastructure.
I think for investing in infrastructure is extremely maybe because it is to infrastructure as important, but human capital is equality essential because people are there giving for Spain economy growth. Uh, Tutup aja lah.
Okay, let's move on the poverty. How to poverty connected to inequality?
I think is mm, poverty and inequality are closely related. Maybe it is because poverty refers to the inability to meet basic needs such as food, education, healthcare, and housing. People living in poverty often face barriers that prevent them from improving their economic condition. For example, children from poor families might not have access to quality education, limiting their future job opportunities. Okay, everyone, maybe just enough for me. And I am Dava. My last study number is 280, and
My name Akmal Kifani. Last number 293.
okay, see you and goodbye.